Taking care of sensory organs. Importance of sensory organs. Each sensory organ has a different function. Many a time, we use 2 or more sensory organs for the same purpose. We must always take care of our sensory organs. Now, let us see how we can take good care of our sensory organs. Care of eyes. Always keep your eyes clean. If anything goes into your eye, do not rub it. While reading, the light should fall on your book. Do not sit in such a way that bright light will fall on your eyes. Sit at the proper distance from the TV set. Can you see clearly what is written on the blackboard in your classroom? Try this. Cover one eye with your hand and read from the blackboard with the other. If you cannot see clearly, tell your teacher and your parents immediately. Get proper treatment. Points to remember. Use spectacles only after consulting the doctor. Take proper care of your spectacles. Do not use someone else's glasses even for fun. We can use contact lenses instead of glasses. Care of ears. Dry your ears with a soft cloth after a bath. The inner ear is very delicate, so do not put any object into your ears. Do not make sharp, loud noises into anyone's ear. Do not stay long in places which are continuously noisy with sharp, loud sounds. Do not raise the volume of radios, TV, tape recorders, music systems to an unbearable level. Care of the nose. Clean your nose every day by blowing gently. If that does not clean your nose, wipe the insides gently with a soft, clean cloth. Do not put any object into your nose. Remember, always keep your handkerchief clean. Always use your own handkerchief. Care of the tongue. Every day when you brush your teeth, clean your tongue. Look at the color of your tongue in the mirror. A pink color is a sign of good health. When you fall ill, you go to a doctor. You know now why the doctor asks to see your tongue while examining you. Care of the skin. Have a bath every day to keep yourself clean. If your skin is injured, apply an antiseptic ointment on it. If the wound is big, tell your parents. Go to a doctor for treatment. Remember, do not dry your body with a towel that someone else has used before. Many diseases of the skin spread by contact.